Hey everybody, I'm Gabriel Cummings. I'm the training manager with the Natural Areas Conservancy, part of the Urban Path program. And today we're at Palm Bay Park in the Bronx. We're going to be working on installing check steps, which are the structures that we have behind me today. And these structures are intended to be built in areas where we have channelization on the trail, where you get that kind of U-shaped channel due to water erosion. And the purpose of these steps are to provide a more durable tread and better walking surface for folks using the trails. It also helps to counter the erosion by checking the sediment behind each of these platforms. There's a couple different material that you can use for your installation. In our case, we're using rustic red cedar poles that are super rot resistant. You can also use black locust as well. Pressure treated lumber is more than fine to use, and we use that as well. Just check your local laws to see what the regulation is for pressure treated lumber in your natural area. So first order of business is the site layout. So I have some flagging. I have a line level to allow me to calculate my rise and also to help support how many steps we need for the project site. So once we measure all this out, we figure out how many steps we're going to need, and we'll begin with our excavation. So for excavation, what we're going to do is we're going to dig a trench with the goal of burying at least 1 foot of either end of the check step into the ground, into the embankments to stabilize the trail. Once we have a good stable excavation, we will place our bar in and check to make any last minute corrections needed on the trail. When we go to install the structure, we're going to set rock around the edges and the perimeter of the structure to stabilize it and get a nice snug fit. Once that's completed, we're going to dress the area around with mineral soil, which is that light soil that we have down over there. And then lastly, we'll place gargoyles on the ends of the structure, and the rock serves to give extra stability for the structure. Usually we're placing it as almost like capstones at the edge to delineate where the end of the structure is, but also with larger size rock, it really helps pin the structure in place and helps keep it from eroding over time. And we'll continue to do this all throughout as needed on the trail until the erosion issue is remedied.